it together. So the first sentence she says, ich soll jeden Morgen den Verband wechseln. I should every morning change the Verband. That means the bandage. Did she say it? Did the doctor say it or not?
No. No.
No.
She said. She said.
Okay, she said here, right? When she asked, wann muss ich den Verband wechseln? So she said, immer morgens und abends. Always morning and evening. So this has to be a cross. That means she said it. Yeah, so we'll put a cross there. Even warten. Yeah. Then ich soll viel schlafen. I should sleep a lot. ऐसा कहीं डॉक्टर ने बोला है उसको?
No. No.
No, right?
No.
Richtig. Ich soll das Bein nur wenig bewegen. I should only little bit I should move the leg.
She said. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, she said, so it is richtig. Like cross, we have to cross this. Ich soll bei Problemen sofort kommen. I should go to her when the with problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. And lastly, ich soll viel Tee trinken. Did she talk about any tea drinking something?
No.
Nice. Okay.
No.
So yeah, when you repeat your doctor's words, then normally हम बोलते हैं ना, अरे डॉक्टर ने कहा है क्या है, मुझे सोना है, मुझे मेडिसिन लेना है. In English we say, okay, I should take medicine, I should go for a walk, and I should do yoga. You know, these are the things that my doctors told me. So हम should लगा के बोलते हैं. So similarly here, you have to use the form of soll, and sollen का conjugation you have to, I think यहाँ पे दिया होना तो चाहिए, नहीं दिया हुआ है. Okay, kind problem. I think you will be making sentences with ish, but then I'm writing the conjugation for sollen. So ich soll, I should. Du sollst. Sie, es soll. Wir sollen. Ihr sollt. And then sie und sie sollen. So das sind die Konjugation von das Modalverb, von dem Modalverb sollen. Yeah. Now what do you have to do? So you have to do here. Yeah. Ich bin so krank. You are very ill. Okay. Was sagt die Frau? Was sagt der Mann? Yeah. So I want to firstly I'll do it with Sana and Samriddhi, and then with Samriddhi and Revati, then with Revati and Sana. So one has to give order, the other one has to say, no, I cannot do it. And you have to say it like this, for example. And we have to do it in imperative. For example, Brot kaufen. So if Samriddhi will say, kauf bitte Brot, so Sana will say, nein, ich soll zu Hause bleiben. Right? So for Brot kaufen, you will give the Bahana as Hause bleiben. Yeah. When Samriddhi, okay, then Sana will say, steh bitte auf. Steh bitte auf. Okay, but Samriddhi, you didn't do imperative, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then Samriddhi, you can make sentence like kaufen Sie Brot. Kaufen, मतलब Sie में तो sentence बना सकते हो आप. Stehen Sie auf. Kochen Sie Mittag essen. ऐसे तो बना सकते हो. That won't be a problem, I feel.
Yeah, ma'am, that I can do.
Yeah. That won't be a problem. So Revati and Sana will make the sentences an imperative, and then you have to say nein, ich soll viel schlafen, and you have to do it like this. So we'll start from aufstehen and viel schlafen. So Samriddhi makes sentence with that, please wake up, and then Sana will say, no, I should sleep a lot, or I should sleep a lot. Yeah. So make it.
I have to make the sentence or?
No, you have to give the bahana, like Samriddhi has to tell you that please wake up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Samriddhi. Auf. Stehen Sie bitte auf. Okay, Sana, next sentence with sollen.
Nice. So,
what did you say? Ich?
Ein ist so Haus. house.
You have to, okay, Hauserbleiben she has already used. You have to use this viel schlafen. इसको बनाओ soll के साथ.
No. No.
You would say ich.
Ich viel
नहीं, ich soll.
schlafen.
Ich soll
Ich soll
viel schlafen.
schlafen. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ich soll
Yes, ma'am.
viel schlafen. Right. Now, Sana, you have to tell Revati that please go and cook Mittagessen, but you have to tell him imperative, and then Samriddhi, sorry, Revati will say 9. I have to ride auto, like I have to ride car. So tell this thing to Revati in imperative, bitte.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It will be Koch bitte. Koch bitte.
Richtig. Koch bitte das Mittagessen. Yeah, right, Sana. Revati with Zollen bitte.
Ich will nicht Auto fahren.
Noch einmal ich.
Soll
Ich soll.
Auto fahren.
Okay, ich soll Auto fahren. Ein Moment. See, Mittagessen kochen के साथ Auto fahren का it doesn't make sense, right? It's not making sense. Which one is the बहाना जो सबसे better जाएगा Mittagessen kochen के साथ? Think about it. Autofahren, nicht arbeiten, then arm nicht bewegen, nicht so viel sprechen. क्या जाएगा? What do you think? What?
The first one maybe.
Warten. Okay, we need to do one thing. I'm opening, I am keeping in use of all these, right? You can use any of these to make bahana of the काम जो आपको दिया जा रहा है. So I'll not tell you which one to pick up. Think about it a proper bahana. जैसे वो बोल रही है, Sana said, Koch bitte das Mittagessen. So now I'm leaving it on you, Revati. How would you say? मतलब क्या बोलोगे? नहीं खाना नहीं बना सकती मुझे. I should क्या? कोई भी एक बहाना चुनो प्रॉपर. एनी. अच्छा मैं एक बार बता देती हूँ इन सबका मतलब. So Hauserbleiben means to I have to stay home. Viel schlafen means to I have to sleep a lot. Nicht autofahren मतलब I cannot ride car. Nicht arbeiten मतलब I cannot work. Then arm nicht bewegen मतलब I cannot move my arms. And nicht so viel sprechen मतलब मैं बात नहीं कर सकती. I cannot speak a lot. So which bahana goes with Mittagessen kochen?
Nicht arbeiten.
Okay, so make sentence. Ich soll
Nicht arbeiten.
Ich soll nicht arbeiten. Yeah, I should not work. Ich soll nicht arbeiten. Fine. ठीक है. Chalo. Then Revati, give the order to Samriddhi and she will make a sentence with soll. The next order is the Kinder abholen.
Abhol bitte die Kinder.
No, abholen is a trennbaren verb. So we learned that day that when we are making imperative with abholen or the aufmachen, then we put up the prefix at the end. So
Bitte die Kinder.
hol bitte die Kinder ab. Hol bitte die Kinder ab. Right. Hol bitte die Kinder ab. So yeah, Samriddhi, any excuse from here?
Soll you
Nicht Auto
Nicht
fahren.
Auto fahren.
Okay. Ich soll nicht Auto fahren. I should not ride car. Okay, fine. Okay, then Samriti, say the next sentence to Sana and she'll make a excuse for it.
Rufen Sie deine
Rufen Sie
Mutter.
deine Mutter.
Did you put an at the last? Rufen Sie deine Mutter an?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Rufen Sie deine Mutter an, so Sana?
Nein, soll nicht, so viel sprechen.
Nein, ich soll nicht so viel sprechen. Very good. And then Sana, ask Revati to clean the auto. Let's see what she says.
Wasch bitte das Auto.
Wasch bitte das Auto. Yeah, so Revati. She's asking you to clean the auto.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ich soll,
Ich soll. एक ही बचा है इसमें, बाकी we have done. So second last is remaining. You make the sentence with that only.
nicht bewegen.
Ich soll den Arm nicht bewegen. Very good. That means I should not move the arm. Great. So this is all, and you should know that if you want to give some order and if you want to say something that you should not do it or you should do it, so you guys are better. You guys know how to use should, right? So just since maybe use should in English in order to give suggestions, or if we have to say no, I should do it. This is something important. So you know where to use should, right? Similarly, we have to use in here. And the fact is, it's a modal verb, so the rule remains the same. Yeah, the verb goes at the end, so that's why ich soll jeden Tag. Ich soll jeden Tag. Ich soll jeden Tag Yoga machen. So the rule remains the same. You have to put the second verb in the last without conjugating it, and you can give suggestions or make sentences by using soll. Understood the verb, the modal verb soll, and wie können wir das benutzen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.